So between those two exercises, that's all that you need to really just get a full body workout, and that's what we're gonna do today. Yo, what's going on, OTG fam? Today I'm gonna be showing you guys 2 exercises that you can do at home. It's some strength and conditioning stuff that you can do, just something to get you right before you either start your day or to end your day. Now, you do have to have some special equipment. With me, I'm gonna be using my sledgehammer and my tire, and I'm gonna be doing my jump roping. So between those 2 exercises, that's all that you need to really just get a full body workout, and that's what we're gonna do today. So let's get straight into it. Like with any workout, first thing we're going to start off doing is just doing some basic stretches. In general, what we're going to do today is we're going to go over about 3 to 5 rounds. Per round, I'm probably going to swing the sledgehammer, I want to say, about 30 times. That way I can target 15 to 15 for each arm, just while alternating. And then with the jump rope, I'm just going to do probably 60 on 2 feet and then 30 per leg. So like I said, it's just a strength and cardio, something to push yourself, and it's just a little get right exercise. And if you do this 3 rounds, that's perfect. If you do this 5 rounds, it's going to be a little more challenging. So we'll just see how much we can do today. Let's get into the sledgehammer first. Man, that's the end of this first round. I didn't get no water, so I kind of screwed myself doing that. But we're gonna do this second round. We still got at least 2 more rounds. We finished the second round. There's not much to say. Let's just get this third round out of the way, man. I'm tired. This workout is really doing a number on me. Let's get it.
the dark. It's a 16 buff in the dark. It's a 16 buff.
I hope you guys find this workout useful, and if you plan on trying it out, let me know how you guys find the results with this workout. Like I said, it's a good cardio workout, something to build up your strength as well, teach those muscles to work for a longer period of time. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. If you like this video, make sure you go ahead, give this video a like. Go ahead, leave comments if you try out this exercise, and just be tuned for the next video coming out. I hope you guys have a good one. Enjoy. Peace.